Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Drug testing of the nation's elite sportsmen and women has now been suspended indefinitely. The COVID-19 pandemic had led to the local anti-doping body JADCO initially suspending drug testing for 1 week from March 18 to 24 before extending the suspension to April 8. JADCO's chairman Alexander Williams explains that the decision was based on the national guidelines in the fight against the virus.
The suspension of routine testing of athletes, or all testing as a matter of fact, remains in place. We have now decided to make it an indefinite suspension and await what happens nationally.
While at the weekend, a survey done by an independent track and field body, the Athletics Association, revealed that an overwhelming majority of elite track and field athletes were concerned about the reduction of testing for banned substances during the coronavirus pandemic. The association, which bills itself as the unified voice of professional athletes, said on its Twitter feed that of the 685 athletes polled globally, 78% were concerned about the validity of the results due to the reduced testing. But the JADCO chairman said they were unaware of the Jamaican athletes expressing concern about the suspension of drug testing.
No, I have not received any communication from any athlete or athlete's representative.